There is one way completely hide apps on an iPhone. You can make them harder to find. Hiding apps will also clear up space your home screen so you don't have to see apps that you don't use very often. My name is Madi, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hide your application in an iPhone very fast and simple. Let's start. In the first step, go to settings. After that, select screen time. Then tap on content and privacy restrictions. In this step, turn on content and privacy restrictions. After that, go to content restrictions section. Then tap on apps. And finally choose don't allow. Great, as you can see, all my applications are hidden. So with this amazing method, you can easily hide all your applications very fast and simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to our channel so you can find a host of clear features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.